Microsoft is rolling out a setting that makes new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web look like classic Outlook. The theme is visual only. It does not restore legacy features such as COM add-ins or full offline parity. For administrators, a new skin does not remove migration work tied to those features. According to the Register reporting Microsoft, the toggle is in Appearance Settings. It applies coordinated changes to styling, layout, typography, icons, and selected interactions. Targeted release should complete by the end of September 2026. Worldwide availability is planned between late September and the end of October 2026. New Outlook's offline capabilities remain weaker than classic Outlook. Importing from PST files has been possible for a few months, but full parity is not available. Microsoft says COM add-ins and the classic app framework will not be supported in new Outlook. This matters operationally. If you use COM add-ins to connect Outlook to ERP, CRM, or ticketing systems, those integrations will not move to new Outlook. Offline dependent users like field staff who need cached mail may see degraded behavior. Microsoft promised at least 12 months notice before a final cutover. Classic Outlook support will continue through licensing until at least 2029. For developers and platform teams, choices are constrained. Options include keeping classic Outlook for some users, rewriting integrations to modern APIs, or building intermediary services. Each approach has cost, testing, and support implications during the multi-year migration window. Confirmed timing in brief. Targeted release by end of September 2026. Worldwide availability, late September to end of October 2026. Opt-out pushed toward 2027. Classic Outlook supported until at least 2029. A separate on-call piece describes a developer called Socrates, who inspected a turbine overspeed detector and found it running on a dusty CPN computer with undocumented code. The anecdote highlights a recurring reality in industrial systems. Obsolete hardware plus undocumented code raises operational risk because changes are hard to test and side effects are expensive to understand. The Register story does not claim the controller was unsafe by design. It reports the developer refused live edits without a replica or vendor support. Together, these stories show two systems realities: a managed product migration with public timelines, an operational edge case where the cost of understanding legacy code outweighs a quick fix. Both stress a common principle: document behavior, build tests, and have rollback plans before changing production. Actionable next steps: inventory add-ins and offline workflows for Outlook now. Plan migration or isolation for COM add-ins. Treat undocumented embedded controllers as requiring replicas, vendor engagement, and strict change control rather than ad hoc edits. Watch Microsoft admin notices for cutover timing. This package draws on the Register articles linked in the description, the Microsoft coverage, and the on-call turbine anecdote.